Hi guys, how are you today? This is Reesa from Reesa's house, and today I went and I picked these apples this morning, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these apples that I just picked. Well, I have to think about it, and I'll let you know. I'll be right back. So, I have decided to make a apple bread pudding with all those apples that I picked this morning. Here it is, unfinished. Here is my beautiful apple bread pudding. So beautiful. And it's going in the oven right now. I just topped it with some butter so it's nice and moist, and butter makes everything delicious. So off it is to bake. I will see you when it's finished. And here is the finished bread product. Absolutely fabulous. This is so nice. It is so nice when you make something and it tastes fabulous and it looks moist and it looks good. I hope you will try this. The recipe is in the description box. Go ahead, try this. Let me know how you like it because it is absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope you will subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in another video. Thank you so much. And